Blessing of the Lord brings wealth without painful toil for it. Proverbs 22 says a glad news, especially for those who are suffering lack of money, unemployment, poverty. Come to Jesus Christ. Pray to God. Also live a good life which is pleasing to God. When He sees you, when He is watching you, if your acts, thoughts are according to the will of God, definitely you can receive blessings from the Lord. Not only in spirituality, but Bible says He will bless you physically also. He can multiply your wealth. He can meet your needs for food, clothing, shelter, and for other bills. So repent, turn to God. God will bless you. He can provide your family. You will become a blessing for your family. If you are going towards God, God will honor you. Not only God, but your family also will understand that because of your godliness, they receive wealth.